Let's set up automatic late payment reminders in Stripe so you do not have to chase down clients manually. First, log into your Stripe dashboard and look at the top right corner. Click on the gear icon to open up your settings page. From here, look at the main menu options and click on Billing. The process looks slightly different depending on your business model, so we will cover recurring subscriptions first and then handle one-off invoices. If your clients are on recurring subscriptions and a credit card payment fails, you need to click directly on subscriptions and emails inside your billing settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Manage Failed Payments. You will also see tabs for Retry Rules or Revenue Recovery. Look for the Customer Notifications option and click the toggle switch so it turns blue. This automatically triggers emails to your clients the moment their subscription payment fails. Now, if you send individual, standalone invoices and want to remind people who missed the due date, look for the section on your screen called Invoice Reminders. You will see a row that says Send Reminders if a one-off invoice has not been paid. Right next to that text, click the gray toggle switch to turn it on. Once you click it, the menu expands right below to show your timing rules. Click on Add Reminder, then use the drop-down menu to select your specific schedule. The important thing is to understand the trade-off with these automated systems. When you toggle these automatic notifications on, Stripe handles the communication, but you lose personal control over the exact tone and timing for specific difficult clients. It applies to everyone across the board. Once you have customized your days and flipped the switches for either your subscriptions or your one-off invoices, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the page. Click the purple button that says Save. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and I will see you in the next one.